Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English Room once again. This is Alamgir Hussain. I hope that you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. Today, we will learn how to pronounce English letters correctly. We know that there are 26 letters in English. If we can pronounce these letters correctly, our English pronunciation will surely improve. So let's get started. First one is A. This is not A. This is A. A. Repeat after me. A. Able. A. Next one is B. B. C. D. E. F. 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 Then G. G. H. I. J. This is not J. This is J. Say after me. J. J. K. This is not K. It's K. 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 After that, L. L. N. N. O. O. P. This is P. P. Picture. Q. Q. R. S. S. T. T. Just like teacher. Teacher. T. U. U. V. Not P. It's V. 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 Very. Very. W. 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 X. X. Y. Z. 0. Z. Z. I'm pronouncing it again. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. So, dear learners, stay connected with English Room. I hope that you will certainly learn better English. That's all for now. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, keep well. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.